Garlic. Fresh garlic, there's no substitute for fresh garlic. I'm going to show you how I like to deal with it. See, there's a root end there, just like on the onion. That's the root end. What I like to do is take a clove. This is called one clove. This is called one head of garlic. This is maybe two cloves stuck together, but what I like to do is just trim that root end off, like so, and then watch this. Do this safely, okay? Put the flat part of the knife on there like that. Put the blade of the knife on and smash it, and then look at that. Comes off nice and clean with minimal digging around with your fingernails, right? And then I like to do this, kind of give it a... This is called mincing, okay? I'll just slice them first. This is what we call mincing. See how I'm kind of pushing it off my knife. See, I've got a regular knife grip. I've got my left hand on top, and see how I'm not lifting the knife up. I'm keeping the tip on the cutting board like so, but I'm lifting, and I'm kind of going back and forth, as you can see, like so, and our pieces are getting progressively smaller. So when we say minced garlic, that's kind of what we mean, okay? Let's just put it over here. Let's try another way of dealing with garlic. Well, take some more of this. Get rid of that root end. Smash. Came out nice. Another way is you can kind of do a brunoise if you really wanted to be fancy about it, and you could kind of cut it this way, and then like that. Kind of like that. Try another one. This. It's another way of dealing with it. If you can get it nice, even, tiny brunoise, but again, it usually doesn't matter because you usually don't see the garlic. It's, you know, it's minced. You don't need to see it. Okay, we got lots of garlic for this dish. Now I'm going to show you something else. A bell pepper. How do we usually deal with these? Different ways. Some people like to do this. Right in half like that. You see this end, the stem end. I'm just going to peel it off there. You can take that white part, they call that pith. Take the pith, like so. Take that all out. And just pinch it out with your fingers. If you're really fussy, what you can do is do something like this to get rid of it. We're not that fussy today, so what we're going to do with this is we're just going to make kind of a dice. Kind of the same size as everything else. So again, kind of 1 centimeter medium dice. Like so. Goes in there like that. Like I say, if you really wanted to be fancy and this stuff was going to be as a garnish, you didn't want that white pith in there, again, what you could do, just kind of go back and kind of trim it off like so. But for us, it doesn't matter today. And there we go. Red peppers. See you in a bit.